In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a dance beat in Ableton Live. Go to Drums, Drum Kit, and select any kit you want. I would recommend you to pick this one. Alright, let's play some sounds. Sounds great, but before recording, I would recommend you to play something on your keyboard. Alright, let's record. In order to record, go to Song Editor, Loop, drag it to the beginning, and turn on the metronome. I would recommend you to also turn on Count In to 1 bar. So, now you can record. Alright, these are the recorded notes. Select all the notes and quantize. Make sure to extend the clip and select Loop in order to make it loop. Now, as you can see, the length of the clip is 400. This means that if you extend it even further, it will be looping. So, it will be looping for every 5 beats. Now, let's play the entire beat structure. If you don't like this drum kit, you can select any kit you want. Or you can move these clap sounds to the snare, for example. Alright, if you still don't like the drum kit, select any other kit, like this, for example. Alright, now you can add the hi-hat sounds, which will also be part of the dance beat. Use Ctrl D to duplicate them, select all of them, and make their duration shorter. Now, the beat sounds kinda boring. I need to add some more sounds to it. Just experimenting. Okay, this sounds great, but this drum beat is missing some parts, like the crash sound at the beginning. It's called ride in this drum kit. If you don't like the sound, you can change it. Go to Samples, and you can select any crash or ride sound. And as you can see, there are so many sounds. So, this drum beat sounds decent. The cool thing of this drum kit is that you can add a fade out, and it will sound like this. the hi-hat with some fade out will be more dynamic. You can also adjust the frequency. You can play with the drum kit, record various drums, and add sounds that will make it sound more interesting. Alright, this is basically it for the drum beat. You can add various things like bassline. For example, go to Sounds, Bass, and select any bass you want. So, let's try to play it. Sounds good. I just need to play the drum beat to see how it will sound like. So, let's record some bassline. Alright, this is the simple bassline. You can make it more interesting by extending those notes, like this. Alright, this is just a simple bassline. I don't like it because it simply stops the sound. This bassline sounds very basic. Let's add some delay to the bassline, to the sound. Now, in order to make sure that the delay sound won't make the bass sound worse, just set dry wet to something around 16. Okay, this is basically it for this tutorial. You can add more instruments to make the dance beat sound much better and experiment with the parameters of the bass sound. You can also load various samples in the drum kit if you don't like the predefined samples in this crystal clear kit, which is the kit that I have chosen. So you can also adjust those parameters. Oh, this filter is perfect. If you want more tutorials for music production, consider subscribing. I will be making more tutorials about song making, along with audio effects and various things about music production. So stay tuned and happy producing!